So why don't you go ahead and try this one here. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals 3x plus 5. So go ahead, pause the video and give this a go. So f of x, which is just the y coordinate, equals 3x plus 5. Now what we want to do is transpose this for x. So we could say that 3x is equal to y minus 5. Therefore we can say that x is going to equal y minus 5 all divided by 3. So x is going to equal y upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Now what we have to do is swap the x and y's. So the y becomes x and x becomes y. So we say then, or y is equal to x upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. And this here is our inverse function. So we could say that f inverse of x is equal to x upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. So a good thing to do is to take these functions and put them in the graphical calculator. And you can put in the line y equals x as well, and you can see that these are indeed going to be the inverse of one another. So x upon 3 minus 5 upon 3 is the inverse of 3x plus 5. So here's another one for you. Find the inverse of the function y equals 2x minus 1. So we're going to have to transpose this function for x. So we can say that 2x is going to equal y plus 1. So therefore we can say that x is going to equal y plus 1 all upon 2. So we can say that x is going to equal y upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Now we can swap the x's and the y's. We can say that y is going to equal x upon 2 plus a half. Or equally we could write it out. We could say f inverse x is equal to, we could take the common factor of a half out, so that would be a half x plus 1. So that's the answer here. Now again, you could put this in the graphical calculator and see what these functions actually look like.